Now that we've discussed light as a wave, now let's talk about what refraction is. So refraction is the change in direction of a wave as it passes through a different medium. And this medium could be any sort of material. It can pass through air, water, glass, plastic. And refraction is something that we can see through our very eyes, such as in a rainbow. So we know that after a rainstorm, when the sun finally peeks out, we can see a rainbow. So why exactly does this happen? So in order to explain why a rainbow happens, let's talk about the electromagnetic spectrum. The electromagnetic spectrum has all different kinds of waves, and they all have different frequencies and wavelengths. And to define what a wavelength is again, it is the distance between the waves. So each type of wave can have a different wavelength. So a small portion of this electromagnetic spectrum is called visible light. And visible light contains all of the colors that we see in the rainbow. And each color consists of a different wavelength. Now let's talk about what refraction is again. So refraction is the change in direction of a wave as it passes through a different medium. So in a rainbow, the sunlight is passing through a different medium, and this medium is the water from the rain. And sunlight is white light, and it consists of all the different colors in visible light, which is all the colors of the rainbow. So when it passes through this different medium, it bends in a different direction, and we're able to see all the different colors. But why all the colors? Why not just the white light passing through? So we're able to see it because all the colors have different wavelengths, and the different wavelengths can tell you how much the wave can bend. So shorter wavelengths can lead to the light bending more. So that is how rainbows happen. So now we're going to be able to see this through our very eyes and ourselves with just a glass prism, some light, and some white paper, and we're able to see this in action. So in order to create your very own rainbow and to see how white light can be separated into the different colors of the rainbow, you are going to need one piece of white paper, a glass prism, and a flashlight that is optional in case there is no direct sunlight. So first you are going to place a piece of white paper on a flat surface where it is exposed to sunlight if it is possible. Then you're going to place the prism on top of the paper like so. And then you're going to shine the light through the prism. And as you do this, you can see the colors of the rainbow being shown through the opposite side of the prism. And this is what refraction is. The white light is going through a change of medium. So it's going through air and then into the glass prism. So as it enters the glass prism, the waves are changing direction. And because each color has a different wavelength, each color will bend a different way. And this is what is allowing us to see all the different colors of the rainbow. So now that we've done it ourselves and are able to see how when you shine white light through this glass prism, the white light can be refracted into all the different colors of the rainbow, and this is caused by the different wavelengths in the colors. So now that we see how refraction works, now let's talk about what reflection is.